Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give a solid comparison video between Dext versus the HubDoc. Which one is better? So here is the comparison that each platform actually offers distinct advantage tailored to different business needs. Here's a comparison to help you determine which solution aligns best with your requirements. Now we are going to compare them to the pros and cons. So now first up is Dext pros. So the pros is exceptional OCR accuracy even with complex and handwriting documents. Advanced feature like line item extraction, supplier rules and audit trails. Robust integrations with over 11,500 financial institutions, scalable for business of varying sizes. Here's the cons: higher cost, especially for businesses with minimal document processing needs, complex pricing structures that may be confusing for some users. Some users have reported concerns over pricing practices. Now the second one is the HubDoc. Now let's talk about the HubDoc's pros and cons. So the pros are actually we are going to talk about the pros. Cost effective, especially for zero users, including in business edition. Straightforward setup and integrations with Xero and QuickBooks. Suitable for small businesses with basic document management needs. Here's the cons. OCR accuracy can be inconsistent, particularly with non-PDF documents. Limited scalability and functionality for larger organizations. User interface is less modern compared to competitors. Now here is some users feedback snapshot. The first one is a Dext. So Dext is praised for its accuracy and advanced features, though some users express concerns over pricing structure. And on the other hand, HubDoc valued for its cost effectiveness, especially for zero users, but users report issues with data extraction, accuracy, and a data interface. Now here's the final verdict for you. Which one you should choose? So choose the Dext if your business handles a high volume of transactions, requires advanced features, and prioritize data accuracy. Choose the HubDoc if you are a small business using Xero, have a limited budget, and need basic document management capabilities. So for business here is the note for you that always consider starting with a trial version of either software to access its suitability and your specific business needs. So hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up and let us know which one you prefer and which you are going to get in the comments below. And that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.